I am taking this clip solely for the memories of it and to have this forever, just so I can look back on it one day and possibly show my future children or grandchildren and beyond one day. But I'm gonna try to like not get emotional. I literally just stopped crying. Nothing serious, by the way. Happy tears. It just ended up happening on being the day that I had class registration, and to many that may not be a big deal, but I just finished registering my final classes in my undergrad here at the University of Florida, and it's such a big deal to me because out of my immediate family, I am the first one graduating college. Neither one of my parents had that privilege. And for those of you who don't know me, and I'm not really sure if I've ever spoken about this on the internet, but my parents are immigrants. I think a lot of people do know that. My parents came to the United States 22 years ago exactly, to pursue the American dream and to give their future children, because neither my brother or I were born yet, their future children a better opportunity at education and at a life than we would have had in their country, which is Colombia. Still a beautiful country, just the opportunities weren't the same. Same with the education, and just the fact that like I'm graduating college is like such a big deal, or like the fact that I'm even here, and like I know for a lot of people it's a big deal, but my parents and I have worked our asses off, and I swear I like don't want to be crying in their happy tears, but we've worked our asses off for me to be here and for me to have the opportunities that I have, especially them. Like they've given up everything. Like my parents are self-employed and they are housekeepers, house cleaners, like for a living. That's what they do. And so the fact that I'm graduating here and my parents have never had to pay a single cent of my tuition is just like such a big deal, because I worked my ass off in high school to get a full ride, and I just wanted to have this moment like on documentation, because like it's for me to like for my parents, like they always pushed me to like want to continue my education past high school. And my dad never neither one of them went to college, but me and my dad would have conversations more about it, because my dad always said like his biggest regret was like never going to college and never pursuing a higher education. And so growing up, like seeing everything my parents like all the hard work that they did to get me where I am, to find me the tutors to help me out in any way that they could, and like the fact that like it's actually like happening, and I know like I'm literally still a semester away from graduating, or like I still have classes I need to take, but just like the fact that I'm registering them is just like beyond me, and like just such a big deal. And it's just like I wanted to have this on for memory for the rest of my life. But yes, it's currently much later in the day. It's 2:30 and I'm still in my pajamas. I'm gonna go shower and we're gonna go on a walk, and we're gonna go get everything so I can deep clean my apartment, which is really two things, but I want to go on like a long walk. I'm hoping it's not gonna rain. It's like sunny out, but yeah, I just wanted to talk about that. It's like not a super big deal, but to me it is, and I just want to show you guys more of like my background and like who I am as a person. Like I just showered and I put on my workout set. I'm wearing my Set Active workout set, the one shoulder bra. I think I wore this earlier in this vlog, I'm not sure. Anyways, going on a walk. It's super sunny out. I don't know if it'll pick it up on camera, but anyways, it's super sunny and I'm just ready to have like a super long walk. I'm gonna actually put on my Apple Watch. I like never use it, but I have my little tote bag so I can bring my camera, and so I can put some of the stuff that I'm getting. I know that I need baking soda after looking up the TikTok. I need baking soda and vinegar. I'm gonna like deep clean my dishwasher and my garbage disposal, like in my sink. And then we'll like do everything else. I have every other cleaning supply that I would need, I think. And so yeah, this is the little outfit for our walk. I just got back from my almost 2-mile walk and I picked up like 2 things. They didn't have white vinegar, so I'm just gonna have to use whatever's left in here, which is fine. The baking soda, and then I just got chicken strips so I can make myself a sandwich for lunch because I'm absolutely starving. And then we'll put all these dishes away, empty the dishwasher, and get started with deep cleaning the kitchen, the apartment, all the things. So I'm gonna have lunch really quick.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's make one thing clear. Get this one thing. Get this one thing
Okay, so I'm about to deep clean this dishwasher and I'll put like a screen recording of the TikTok that I saw. Basically, you just grab like some baking soda and you just like sprinkle it all over the bottom of the dishwasher and like basically cover it because it like has a really good deodorizing, I think it is. And so you just sprinkle it all over and let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'll run the dishwasher on like a sanitation cycle. Now I'm gonna clean the garbage disposal, see if this does anything. I'm running a load in the dishwasher and seeing if that helps. And now I'm going to do the garbage disposal. So I put a bunch of ice in here, put a little bit of baking powder or baking soda, and there's a bunch of ice down in there. So you're supposed to run it, just let it run without water, and then you put hot water on your faucet, then let it go, and then gunk's supposed to come up. So let's see if this actually works. I don't feel like that did anything. I mean, nothing came up. Let me try more ice and see if it works. Oh, it's working. Oh my God, that's so gross. I look much different from the last clip you guys saw me, but I did my makeup because me and Connor are gonna go on a little date night picnic at Payne's Prairie. If you go to UF, you know what it is. It's just like somewhere where a bunch of students go and watch the sunset. And so we decided to get some takeout food and we're gonna go watch the sunset there. I just put on these gray joggers and this little pink crop top. And then I have a crew neck in case it gets a little bit chilly. And yeah, so I will take you along with us. It was a very spontaneous and out of the blue idea, but I thought it'd be a little bit fun to bring you guys along since I am filming a week in my life. This isn't normal if you've watched any of my other week in my lives. We've never done this. It's the first time that we're doing like dinner out there. We've gone before just to see it, but not for dinner. So excited. I'm gonna go put on my shoes, and he's on his way to pick me up right now. He's probably pulling up at any minute. So I will see you guys in the car. I'm in the car alone, as you guys can tell, and I don't know if you guys noticed in any of my things, I mentioned it in the morning, but I started watching Cheer last night, and I've been watching it all day while I've been cleaning and just doing whatever, and I've been playing it in the background, and I'm already on episode 8, and I watched episode 1 last night, so I've watched 7 episodes today. I binge watch TV shows like there's no tomorrow, so I'm gonna watch it on my phone. So we're here on our date, and you can no longer park your car where you used to. You used to be able to park your car in there and people would get out and watch the sunset. Sunset happened, but you can't. So we like pulled over on the side of the road and just ate our dinner. It's 9:42 p.m. I just finished watching Cheer. Literally so amazing. Watch season 2 if you haven't already, but I'm pretty sure I'm like the last person on the planet to watch season 2 of Cheer, because it came out like a little bit ago, I think. I'm currently just gonna get ready for bed. I'm so tired. I'm gonna take off this makeup. Also, if you guys kind of didn't get the gist of it, the place where we were going to sit and have like our dinner, this lighting is really bothering me. The place where we were gonna sit and have our dinner, you can't park there anymore. I don't know why. So we just kind of stayed in Connor's car and had dinner there anyways, and then we got Freyo after. I also have a working TV downstairs now because I got control or batteries for the remote control, and also I got a new control for my TV downstairs, and it works. So I'm so happy to have TV downstairs now. I won't have to use my laptop hopefully anymore. There's that. That's kind of it. Oh, also update on my video for today. Like today, not like tomorrow, because this is going up tomorrow. My video's not like it's uploading, but it literally says like a ridiculous amount of hours. I think it's like the last time I checked it was like at 8, like that first day, and I don't understand why, because I thought I had really good Wi-Fi. Also, my roommate's not here, so I'm the only one on the Wi-Fi, which makes no sense. I'm trying to figure it out before I go to bed. If not, I don't want to like beat myself up over it. It's still going to be up tomorrow no matter what. So if you don't get a video today, you're getting 2 tomorrow. So there's that. I'm going to import today's footage. I'm going to take off all my makeup. I use this. I'm almost out of it. I will literally show you guys how much I used it. But yeah, you guys will be getting 2 videos tomorrow if it's not uploaded today. I'm literally almost out of it. I'm gonna pick it up during the Sephora sale because this is the best thing ever to take off your makeup. I don't know how I took off my makeup before this, because this is so much better than makeup wipes. It's literally just like an oil, and it just breaks down all your makeup, even waterproof makeup, foundation, and everything, and it like doesn't leave your skin feeling super gunky. And I just rub it in to my skin. You can see it's like taking everything off. I know I look whack right now, but I'm just taking off all my makeup, and it just melts right off your skin. And then I just go in with a facial cleanser, which is my CeraVe one, and then I use this CeraVe one in the morning for just like whiteheads because it has salicylic acid, but I use this one, which is a more gentle one, at night to like really get everything off. I'll do another video where I go more in depth in my skincare, whether that's like a dedicated skincare video or